at Prep Homestead.
Today is Wednesday, November 13th, 2024.
I'm Rocco Castro.
And I'm Lucas Saavedra.
And you're watching Python TV.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Hello, Pythons. Welcome back to Python TV.
Today we have two very special birthday shout-outs. First up, Jordan Montez in 3rd grade. His birthday was on November 11th.
And Anila Ellis in 4th grade, whose birthday is today. Happy birthday, Pythons! Now here are your daily announcements. That's it for today, Pythons. Remember to stay positive, be kind, and make the most out of every day.
Let's make this school year one for the books. We'll be back tomorrow with more news and updates. Have a great day. Go!